Okay, the first thing that we need to do is make sure that we are searching for a JPEG or a PNG. So I'm going to type in the Cowboys logo, and then I want it to be JPEG. All right, so underneath here for images, all right, we want to make sure that it is a JPEG. And when I go to save it, I'm looking for something really simple. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go save image as. I'm going to save it into my use this folder. And this is a PNG that will work. And I'm going to name it Cowboys. So we got to make sure that they are JPEGs or PNGs. I've now saved that. I'm going to go back into here, my part file. I'm going to start a new sketch. And I'm going to sketch on this plane. And we are going to create a rectangle that is 2 by 2. So I click on 2, tab, 2, tab. I can zoom out just a little bit. And this is just going to keep me that's just going to, what happened to my sketch here? Not sure what happened to it. I'm just going to delete this sketch and we'll start it again. I don't know. I kind of must have zoomed out and lost it. That stinks. All right, so we'll start a new one. And I'm going to go right in here. And I'm going to go 2 by 2 again. So it's 2, tab, 2. I'm going to zoom out just so I can see it. I hit tab again. I'm going to hit the enter key. And now I'm going to hit finish sketch, and there it is. Okay, I just want my logo to be inside there. I'm going to start a new sketch that's on this same plane. And I'm going to bring in my logo by clicking on image. And I'm going to go to the use this folder. And there is my PNG. I'm going to click on open. That just needs a fit. It looks like I'm going to get kind of lucky here. And brought my logo in here. And I can move this by, move it around by clicking on the corner, and then I'm going to move it to the middle. And I know that this is at least going to be 2 by 2. I can make it just a little bit bigger. All right, so I'm going to go one of two ways. The first thing that I'm going to do is continue on my sketch, and I'm just going to keep this simple, and I'm going to go all the way around using the line command. I'd like everybody not to be clicking and just watch for 5 minutes, please. So I'm just going to click, 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 click. Okay, this is the bare minimum you got to do. And I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to go ahead and extrude this out. And we want to extrude I'm looking to extrude sketch 2 out. And I want to select the profile, and I'm looking for this profile. I'm going to extrude it out 0.5. All right, 0.5, there it is. I'm all set, good to go. Does everybody agree with that? Okay, so I made it there. That sounds good. I can use that as a piece. The only thing I'm going to have to do is draw it once. If I wanted to, and I wanted to add like some more 3D or put something on here, I could also start another sketch, and I could go like right on here and I could sketch one more thing. All right, I'm just going to do a D real quick. I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to do an arc. I'm going to start the arc here, start the arc there, and I'm going to put a D. I think that D kind of sucks, but we'll just go with it. And I'm going to extrude this out. But this time I'm going to have a little bit more fun, and I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut that out all the way through. So now I have the Dallas and then the star for the Cowboys. That piece is done. I can save this. File, save as. And I'm going to save it into my use this folder. And I'm going to save it as star or Cowboys. Go to the very bottom, find my use this, just like you guys have. It'd be really nice if I could find this. I'm going to go by details, slide down. Everybody see it? There it is. They're all out of order. That's the problem. Use this, and I'm going to save it as Cowboys. I need to have 4 logos. Okay, that's all I need to have for today. And then I'm going to take it, and I'm going to be done. All right, I need 4 of those. They all need to be within 2 by 2. I really don't need this. You don't have to worry about deleting that. If you wanted to delete sketch 2, which ended up being, you could delete that in the end and you're done. Then you go to File, New Part, start another one. You can do Nike logos. You can do anything you want. Car logos, whatever it is that you need. We're just working on trying to get 4 logos done. Keep them fairly simple and you're good to go. Any questions? Okay.